Good day guys, so andito na tayo ngayon sa Baguio and share ko lang dito yung pinaka day number 3 ng ating challenge. And ang dami mga nagtatanong kung ano yung strategy dito and discuss natin yan dito sa video natin today. So last night, bali naglibot-libot lang kami dito habang naka-open yung positions sa challenge natin. And today, share ko sa inyo kung magkano na yung pinaka-results and ano nga ba yung strategy na ginamit natin dito. Pero bago tayo dito magsimula, kung hindi nyo pa nilike itong video na ito, please like this video first, subscribe nyo yung YouTube channel natin, turn on the bell icon para ma-notify kayo dito sa mga updates natin na ginagawa sa ating YouTube channel guys, no? So puntahan natin yung open position natin dito sa challenge natin. App na rin yung gagamitin ko dito or itong cellphone just to share yung pinaka-results, performance this day 3 guys, no? So puntahan natin. Right guys, so ito yung pinaka-ongoing natin dito na trade. Ayan, gumagalaw yan. And ang daming mga nagtatanong dito why I use this strategy. Ano nga ba yung tawag dito sa strategy na ito? Kung mapapansin nyo naman guys sa ating YouTube channel, we've been doing this challenge. Like for example, yung link before, we just turned that trade from 5K to almost 1M. So this one is another challenge, no? So ito, I'll just share lang dito ng pinaka strategy ko. So may mga nagtatanong bakit 100% allocation on a high conviction setup. And ano nga ba yung strategy na ito? So, to clarify lang guys, this is not 100% risk of the account being wiped. No? So, what I mean is 100% capital allocation for this specific trading account, or this is only for a challenge account. No? So, I would say this approach is like closer to Kelly, criterion inspired position sizing strategy. Marami na din gumagamit nito, like for example, Warren Buffett, no? So the idea behind Kelly is napakasimple lang. If yung pinaka-probability ng success and the reward to risk ratio are in favor, no? Kasi na-discuss ko na rin to during day 1 eh. So I just can justify allocating like for example a 5K now for the challenge. So for me, I only consider this on high conviction plays. I mentioned that during day 2 as well, with a strong confluence, no? So na-mention ko during day 1, nagkaroon ng retest sa BWAP sa mini chart. Weekly time frame, we can see double bottom, overbought yung RSI, and then bullish divergence as well. I discussed that between MACD and then the price action. No? So, we can observe as well a strong momentum shift. Tapos yung market structure na confirmation. And then itong sector na to ay merong catalyst talaga, no? Dahil this is one of a promising and interesting yung pinaka-algorithm nito. Falcon yung algorithm. And one of the quantum resistant na algorithm, no? So, yun yung isa sa mga naging conviction natin dito. And hindi ito emotional all-in na trading guys to. It's conviction-based sizing back by probability and risk to reward. Still, conviction does not mean certainty. Again, I always keep mentioning our risk disclaimer na itong video natin is just for a challenge. I'm just sharing my experience. And every setup can fail. So risk management and stop loss. I mentioned that during day 1, I adjusted my SL when the price moves, no, doon sa pinaka-entry ko. So, as mentioned, risk management and stop loss, discipline remain non-negotiable, guys, no. I use 100% capital allocation and a Kelly-inspired high conviction play sa gantong setup. And itong challenge na ito, but we defined stop loss risk, guys, no? So I adjusted my SL, nag-live ako during day 2 and sa Facebook yan.
And sana yun, hopefully you get some insights, ideas dito. Nasagot ko yung pinaka questions dito. And hopefully sa day 4 ay ma-share ko din yung other insights. Feel free to comment kung meron kayong mga questions. And let me know lang sa comment section ng video na ito.
So yun guys, hope you get some insights, ideas dito sa update natin, day 3 update. So tomorrow we have day 4 and yun, hope you get some insights. Maraming salamat ulit sa panunod. Ingat tayong lahat. Peace out and good Friday everyone. Bye for now.